Hi, good very late evening, dear viewers. James Braithwaite here as usual. How are you? And of course there's Rizzo there. Say hello, Rizzo. Anyway, I've not been feeling that great, as you can probably tell. And I'm cooking an ultra late meal for tonight. You can see got some lovely chip shop chips and breaded mushrooms in there, and these I say pies because I might have one of these cold tomorrow. These are really nice steak pies from farm foods that I managed to pick up. So I'm hoping they'll be pretty good. Chips are more of the same from farm foods, mushrooms from Iceland, I believe. Yeah, I can't remember. That white glob in the middle was some milk that's not quite cooked yet, or whatever. So, I'll just see if I can get you a decent angle where I can plate up. Excuse me a moment. Just leaving the chips and mushrooms to drain off their oil for a little bit. And, let's get this pie out. Get these pies out. Ooh. They seem to have risen perfectly. Just a little bit of milk that's probably boiled that's not cooked, but hey ho. Okay, well, we'll plate both of them up, and if I don't finish one, I can have it for breakfast or lunch tomorrow. Just ordered a new oven timer, so that'll make things a bit easier. Well done. Something that will probably need a few more minutes. But anyway. I like steak and mushrooms, but of course it's all steak in this pie, and the mushrooms are on the side. Right. Whoop! Oh, I hate it when it does that. You know, salt tips out. Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I hope to enjoy eating it. I will see you in the next one.